How to delete block contact on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you how to delete block contact on WhatsApp. In order to delete a block contact on WhatsApp, the only way to do it so is by unblocking them on WhatsApp from the block history and then deleting them. So basically there is no other alternative than to unblock them, and so what you'll have to do is you have to launch your WhatsApp, tap the three dot icon, go to settings, and from here scroll down a bit and go to privacy. Here scroll down right to the bottom, go to block contact. So these contacts are your blocked contacts. So in order to delete the block contact, the only way is, as already mentioned, long press on it and click the unblock button. As soon as you do that, the following contact will be unblocked, at the same time deleted from your history or your chat history. So that's basically how you can delete block contact on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.